For most folks, their car is their baby. Or more like their mechanical baby, and so they would do anything to make it look prettier or more functional. Gone are the days when a car was boring and simply a means to get to your destination. Nowadays, cars have literally become super with all sorts of dashboard screens. And there are even electric cars now that represent the mode of transport for the future. But before we get to that distant time, here are 12 gadgets that transform your car, and by extension, your driving experience. One, Coolper. This is simply an in-car beverage warming gadget that costs $49 to obtain. It keeps your on-the-go drinks hot or cool as you drive. Its beauty is in its versatility. Usually, most flasks perform only one function, which is to cool or warm, but never both. Coolper is a one-in-all car cup holder that ensures your hot coffee or cold beverage doesn't lose its temperature, whatever the situation. So you can be rest assured while not needing to rush your morning drink before it becomes tepid. Coolper was made with Peltier thermoelectric semiconductors, a trusted name in the thermostat industry. Plus, Coolper was made to do its thing silently, so there are no distractions while driving. It's also portable and compatible with most car cup holders. 2. Baseus Car Air Freshener. This car air freshener costs $33.20 and is different. It incorporates an app that you can use to regulate it on the go. It works with essential fragrant oils and uses inbuilt ultrasonic sheet atomizers to break down these aromatic oils. It can then diffuse the fragrance in the car's interior as needed. It comes with 3 different variations of natural essential oils, so you have ample options for how your car interior smells. It will also work for 60 days non-stop on a single charge. It has manual dials on it to set the spray durations. This function can also be automated on the accompanying app. 3. Nonda ZUS Tire Safety Monitor. Among other things, this digitized tire monitor comes with an app. It can detect slow leaking and the real-time pressure and temperature of your tires. The overall monitoring system comes with 4 external cap sensors that you can place on each tire. And voila! It does its thing as you drive. You only have to take a moment now and again to check in without losing your concentration on the wheel. The entire system, from tire sensors to the app, is easy to install and can get up and running in 10 minutes. You can even view individual tire pressure and plan your trip as you go. And we've already mentioned the slow leak warning capability, which warns you ahead of time before the leak becomes a bigger problem. 4. The MUSTART 40A Level 2 EV Charger. This is an electric vehicle charger that has simply been enhanced and future-proofed. It costs $319, just as the improvements were overdue. Technology has become a little more advanced since the first generation of electric cars, so this new EV charger and cable can juice up your vehicle 2.5 times faster than usual. It has a tougher build and is more electro-sensitive for better connectivity. It is also made to be compatible with most electric vehicles in the American market. All you'll need is a 220/240 volt outlet to plug in your EV, and it comes with a 25 feet cable for your convenience. The charger also has overvoltage, overheat, and overcurrent protection built in. 5. Carlinkit 4.0. Carlinkit is a universal hub for your car's brain box that will cost you $109.99. It eliminates the problem of wires flying around your driver's seat area. Once you plug it in via a single USB cable to the integrated port in your car, it completely overrides your car system, so all the car functions are deployed from one hub. Also, it allows for Hello Siri or Hello Google compatibility, and even other less-known AI bots. From the Carlinkit hub, you can control anything that needs controlling in your car. You can even attempt to change the wallpaper of your digital dashboard interface. It is plug in and play, doesn't overheat, and has no interference. It also comes with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and dual band capabilities. 6. HUDWAY Drive. HUDWAY came into prominence as a crowd-funded project by some enterprising young people. And trust us when we say it was all worth it. Starting with the design, the HUDWAY Drive incorporates a transparent visor that blends naturally into your windscreen. This visor projects all the vital info you might need as you drive. This means you're less distracted. And we can say it looks futuristic too. It works with the usual apps like Google Maps and Waze, as well as other apps you might need, like notifications, messages, and calls. The guys who made it put a lot of effort into it based on the customer feedback they got. So, the HUDWAY Drive is the best heads-up display out there, and you can get one for $279. 7. Nonda ZUS Car Charger. This car charger boasts of beauty, brains, and brawn for a $24.99 price tag. This is a sleek gadget that is also titanium-grade durable. You'll find it incorporates such functions as a car finder, mileage log, and even a battery health monitor, amongst other things. So it's not just a regular car charger. It's a car charger on steroids. It works best with an app, and if, for instance, you need to find your car in a crowded parking lot, an in-app compass can help you. If you want to beat the meter maid, it alerts you 10 minutes before time, so you don't get a parking ticket. You can also share your car location with close family and friends if they need a lift. And finally, this wonder charger can check the health of your battery over time, so you don't suddenly end up stranded by a drained battery. 8. Car LED Lamp. This gadget has a more decorative purpose for your car and costs $19.99 to purchase. It's about putting LED lights in your vehicle's interior and around the exterior headlights area. But during installation, you have to be careful they don't get confused with your signal lights. Aside from this caveat, the LED light always looks good on any car. The lights are controlled by a mobile app and include up to 210 modes of lighting up your car. The LED lights are waterproof and work with a 12-volt DC rating. Also, they're easy to install with pre-applied 3M adhesive. The standard length of the LED in the box is 24 inches, so that you can buy them according to your case use. 9. In-car wireless Bluetooth professional-grade FM transmitter. That is certainly a mouthful, but it comes highly recommended if you don't already have a radio system in your car. It's a car charger, FM radio, and mic in one. This gives you a hands-free driving experience for receiving calls, playing music, or charging your phone. It also has 2 USB ports for charging, one of which is 3.0 rated. There's also a blue LED screen and FM radio tuner. And if listening to your own music is more your speed, you can do so in 2 ways: via Bluetooth from your phone or USB connectivity. You can buy it for $14.99. 10. Drop Stop. Why didn't anyone think of this earlier since the dawn of automobiles? This gadget solves the problem of what to do when your valuables slip into that unreachable space between your car seats. It simply prevents it from happening by filling that gap. Anytime you drop something by accident, whether it's French fries or your phone, it won't go into limbo forever. So it's goodbye to unnecessary car litter and distractions while driving. Moreover, it's been discovered that most car accidents nowadays happen when someone drops their phone while driving and tries to retrieve it. So, to avoid such accidents, it'll cost you $24.99 to get one. 11. Govee Car LED Lights. This is yet another LED light system specifically for your car's interior. You can buy it on Amazon for $16.99. And you can choose from a whopping 16 million shades of color via the Govee Home app in DIY mode. Also, you can essentially turn your car into a disco as the LED lights can be synced with your in-car music system. Installation of the lights is made easy by its 2-line design so that it can go with any car model whatsoever. And you don't have to worry about exposing wiring or an untidy look. 12. Car Mini Vacuum. As the title says, it's a portable yet powerful vacuum cleaner for your car interior. It works for both dry and wet conditions. It comes with a dual filtration system and an ergonomic build to prevent debris leakage during use. You connect it to the cigarette lighter port in your car and it's ready to go. It comes with a 16.4 feet cable to clean the farthest parts of your vehicle. The box comes with 4 attachments depending on what you want to clean. It also includes a carry bag for easy transportation, as well as a spare filter and a brush. It'll set you back $29.99. Hope you enjoyed window shopping these gadgets as much as we enjoyed compiling them. The Amazon links to the products on our list can be found below in the video description area. And please be sure to subscribe to the channel and like our content. Also, hit that notification bell for more videos from us. Thanks for watching, and bye.